Billions of Medicaid dollars are still up for grabs, and some are saying how it could be divided up isn't fair. WCIA3's Raquel Martin explains why.
It's the message healthcare workers are sending to hospital leaders they say are stripping them of money.
It breaks my heart because I shouldn't have to see children suffer. I shouldn't have to see seniors suffer. I shouldn't have to see nobody suffer because we don't have the proper resources.
They say a new proposal will only worsen conditions at their hospitals. Earlier this month, lawmakers and the Illinois Hospital Association announced plans to change the hospital assessment program. And that program brings more than $30 billion of federal Medicaid funds to the state each year. But under the new plan, hospitals in low-income areas would get a smaller cut. An idea met with harsh backlash at a hearing on Tuesday.
Just because I'm poor doesn't mean I have to die because I do not have access to health care.
The president of the Illinois Hospital Association said no hospitals would lose resources. He says new estimates are based on the amount of patients receiving care. But representatives from several safety net hospitals say those calculations are unfair. The hearing ended with more questions than answers.
I'm still wondering what the big gap is between the safety net hospitals and the association and the committee who's been working on this rewrite.
And it may be back to the drawing board.
It's still fluid, and at the end of the day, we feel confident we'll have a proposal that can get broad-based bipartisan support here.
In Springfield, Raquel Martin, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Now, this issue is just at the beginning phases. Lawmakers will meet again in the coming months to continue talking about it before they vote. Now, that funding helps with more than just health care. It could also mean jobs. 25,000 jobs are at stake across the state. Medicaid funding accounts for more than 80% of the budgets at many of these facilities. Two of those include the Lincoln Prairie Behavioral Health Center in Springfield and the Pavilion Behavioral Health Center in Champaign. Well, the U of I's